Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all camera settings available on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. So let's go to the camera, and the first thing that we can do is access the general settings of the camera in the top right corner over here. So let's tap here. Here you can find a bunch of different options. For instance, the selfie photo mirror. So if you want to use the mirror for the selfie for the front camera, then here's how you can enable and disable it. You also have the watermark. So if you want to use the watermark, then you can turn it on and then set it up. In addition to that, we also have the option to tap anywhere to capture. So if you want to simply tap with your finger and then take the photo, then here's how you can do that. We have the shutter sound, so whenever you take a photo there is a sound. If you want to have that, then you can turn it on over here. We also have the assistive grid, which looks like this. We have those white lines, and of course if you take a photo, then they are not visible. Then we also have leveler, which looks like this. We have that line, and which should be helpful with indicating if the camera is pretty much in the middle. Then we also have the keep last mode, so whenever we reopen the camera, we will be back using the camera mode that we used before. If you have the memory card, then you can also choose the storage. And we also have save location, so if you want to see the information, for instance, if you open the picture in the gallery, then you will see the information where the photo was taken. We also have the option to play the tutorial, which is pretty simple, and it has like 4 steps, and it introduces you to the camera, and you can also reset all options. In addition to that, we also have different modes at the bottom, of course. So we have time-lapse, video, photo, portrait, night, and of course the QR code, which doesn't really work that well, to be honest. We can also switch to the front camera by tapping this icon over here. So if you tap on it, then you will open the front camera. And at the top over here, depending on the camera mode, which is once again selected at the bottom, you have different options. So for instance, we can tap over here in order to switch the aspect ratio. And we can also tap on this arrow over here in order to see all of these options at once. So here you can see a little you can see it a little bit more clearly. And that's pretty much it. You can also tap on the screen in order to try to make it brighter or darker on the selected spot. And that's about it. And of course we can also zoom in and zoom out by simply using 2 fingers. So if we want to zoom out, then this is how we can do this. And if you want to zoom in, we want to pinch it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.